Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this new tutorial video I'm going to show you how to temporarily deactivate your Instagram account. So without any delay, let's start our video. First of all, go to your Instagram application and select the profile icon on the bottom right corner here, and select the straight three lines on top of your screen and go to settings and privacy, and now select account center and scroll down a bit and select personal details here, and now go to account ownership and control and select this deactivation or deletion option and select the ID, your Instagram ID and now it already selected the deactivate account option. Just click continue